Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to configure static IP using Netplan on Ubuntu. First, you need to check your Ethernet network card. Enter the following command to check. In our case, there is no config file in this directory, and no IP address is assigned to the interface ENS3. Let's get started now to assign a static IP on this interface. But first, you should check if the configurations work by running the command. In this way, we can roll back our changes in the config file after a specific timeout. The following screen will appear to confirm whether you want to keep changes or revert to the configuration. The configuration file for Netplan is stored in the following directory. Now open the configuration file to start configuring the IP. What you need to know in this configuration file is that each Netplan file will start with the keyword network and have at least two required elements that are. The following is my entire configuration in the file with comments on each line. And save the configuration file. After the configuration file adjustment is complete, enter the following command to apply the change and verify the change. To check if there is a network, we do a ping to the internet. Here we pinged to google.com and the result was successful. If you want to assign different IPs to different interfaces in the same configuration file, you can do so as follows. Once done with the configuration, remember to run the Netplan apply command to apply the changes and bring the interfaces up.